let's talk a bit about the influence of the coronavirus on India, because India has it under control, but it has it under control through a lockdown. What does it mean for the pharmaceutical industry right now, and how China plays a role in it? Because we know that India gets many of the supply from China.
China. Yeah, I can say that on some of research data and even global data has proven that Indian pharmaceutical industry, that 90 to 95% of Indian pharmaceutical industries are dependent on import in India. Some of the excipients, some of the API, and some of the key starting material are imported into India in a very huge amount from China. So Indian pharmaceutical industries is very badly affected from these pandemic situations. From pharmaceutical export side, that people is facing a lot of crisis, lot of loss in their business since last 21 days. Even though I can say that since last 3 months India is facing problems with this China shutdown, because China has declared its shutdown in 23rd of January. So from 23rd of January, India is facing problem from their import sides, and Indian government has declared some packages, but these packages is not enough for that because the raw material is required from their side. So due to the unavailability of this raw material, API, and some of the key ingredients, Indian pharmaceutical is affected badly. I can say an Indian regulatory authority is already declared that 57 number of API for antibiotics, vitamins, and minerals, and some generic products is out of stock in India. And due to this out of stock in India, Indian manufacturers are facing problem in their manufacturing. And due to the unavailability of this material and due to the closed off import from China, the drug prices are hiked double, or in some of the products I can say it is tripled. So some good examples that I have, that azithromycin and ibuprofen is imported from China in a very huge amount. Ibuprofen, that Indian manufacturers are 95% of Indian manufacturers are import this as ibuprofen from China and Hubei. So ibuprofen prices, azithromycin prices, and paracetamol prices are hiked doubled.